We'll guide you through how to get Inkscape as a free download. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your web browser and type in inkscape.org. This is the official website where you can safely download Inkscape. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a big green button that says download now. Click on it. This will take you to a new page where you can select your operating system. Inkscape is available for Windows, macOS, and Linux. Choose the one that matches your computer. For Windows users, after selecting your operating system, you'll be directed to a page where you can choose between the installer package or the portable version. Most users will want the installer package, so go ahead and click on that. This will start the download automatically. If you're using macOS, click on the macOS option and you'll be provided with a link to download the DMG file. Linux users will see options depending on their distribution, such as DEB or RPM files. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your downloads folder and double-click to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions. To complete the installation, it's as straightforward as clicking Next and Finish when prompted. After the installation, you can find Inkscape in your Applications folder or Start menu, ready to use. Make sure to check for any additional plugins or extensions you might need for your specific projects. Inkscape also has a helpful community and forums for any questions you might have along the way. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.